Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you where you can view all of your pull requests within your GitHub account in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to GitHub, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one would be to simply click into that symbol in the top left and select pull requests. And here you will be redirected to your created, assigned, mentioned and reviewed pull requests here. Open as well as closed with the visibility status. That's one option, guys. However, you may do this also from your GitHub dashboard. What you want to do is head back to your home section in the top left and use Microsoft Copilot, for example, to ask it to find your pull requests for you. You may, for example, go with a prompt like pull requests and select my open pull requests if you'd like to use Copilot to filter out any latest pull requests that are still open and not those that are closed. And after that, simply press enter to let the artificial intelligence process your request for you and find your pull request within your account. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.